back to my channel. My name is Christy Noble. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always checking on the novels. Thank you for always checking on us. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for joining the family. And if you are yet to subscribe, come on, what are you waiting for? Take a moment, click on the red button right below this video. A bell will come up by the side. Click on it to always get notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how I do groom my eyebrow. Have you seen it? How I do groom. Today I'm gonna talk about eyebrow and its grooming. You know, it's not nice for a beautiful woman to carry bushy eyebrow. Okay, so as my own is right now, it's kind of bushy. I don't always allow it to grow up to this extent, so I carve out time today to work on it. You know, as a lady, you shouldn't be too busy. Have some time for yourself, okay? Create a time for yourself. Like on Saturdays, just take care of your body, take care of yourself, okay? It's not just work, busy all the time. Carve out times and take care of yourself, okay? So I'm going to work on my eyebrow. I want to groom it. Oh guys, I hope your weekend is going on fine. As for me, mine is going on super. Okay? It's already a lovely and romantic. It's already a lovely and romantic weekend. All right, guys. And I'll be doing this with. Sorry guys, I misplaced my brush. The brush I would have used to arrange it, but I can do it. I can still do it with that. I'm going to use Vaseline. I'm going to use Vaseline and a sharp razor blade. Okay. The reason why I'm applying this Vaseline on my eyebrow before shaving it is because it helps to prevent unnecessary injury. Why this Vaseline is good for you to apply on your eyebrow before you start working on it is because it helps to prevent unnecessary injury. You won't just be cutting yourself all over, cutting your skin. So let's get straight into the main business of today. You just take a little quantity. Just take a little quantity of the Vaseline and you apply on your eyebrow. Have you seen that? That's how I groom my eyebrow. That's how I usually groom my eyebrow. I don't like it bushy. I think I like it this way. I prefer this to this. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, okay? Give it a thumbs up. Come on, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment down there if you are not using these tools that I use. If there's anything that you use, if there's anything you do aside of these that I've just done, please let us know in the comment section, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Alright, enjoy the rest of your weekend. I pray that God Almighty grant all your heart desire this weekend and grant you success. Bye.